Full automatic falafelmachine. The most professional design possible for a fully automatic falafel and cutlet machine, with many features and options. Equipped with product counter. Equipped with frying time setting. Equipped with oil temperature setting. Separate key to turn on the fryer alone to have a fully automatic fryer. Ability to change the mold with different shape and sizes. Equipped with falafel drop place setting. Do not spill excess raw material into the oil, prevents oil breakdown. Gas or electric heating system according to customer order. Very low volume of oil required inside the fryer, which saves a lot of oil and energy. Easy to wash. With a 1-year warranty and 10 years of after-sale services. Having CE certifications. Follow us on social media. www.nsimco.com